and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. Now, Walgreens is a very slow week this week on couponing, but I wanted to share with you guys a couple deals. Now, there are some deals that I want to go back and repeat. Number one, because it's a great deal and it's snacks for the husband so he can have certain things for when he goes to work. But yes, I'm going to share with you guys what I get. Now, I'm also going to do a $5 challenge that I'm including in this video. They have a lot of school supplies on sale, so instead of doing two separate videos, I'm just going to combine it into one. So if you guys want to watch the $5 challenge for school supplies, just stay tuned for the more to the end of the video. But here I'm going to show you guys the breakdowns of the items that I got. Now, right now, most of the candy is 69 cents, like the Mars brand, and we have been having some great deals or great coupons printing on coupons.com. So I ended up getting Snickers. Now, the Snickers, again, were 69 cents. Now, we have those 50 cents off of two coupons that were on coupons.com. I think they're still available. You guys would just get both of these for just 88 cents. That comes out to be 44 cents a piece for a candy bar, which I think is a pretty good deal. So we got some candy. Now there was some buy one get one free Musketeer coupons that came out a while back ago, and so I ended up using those. Again, 69 cents. You guys want to use that buy one get one free coupon. Now that coupon will automatically take, I don't know why, it'll take 69 cents off. So you guys would end up getting two of these for just 69 cents. So that comes out to be like 35 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal on candy bars. And then I also got Twix. Now it's for the Twix coupons are for the regular ones, not for like not for the regular. They're for either the white chocolate, the dark chocolate, or the peanut butter. My family likes peanut butter, so I always get these. So again, these were 69 cents. Now we had those 75 cents off of two coupons that were available on coupons.com that are no longer available. The coupon, which is take 75 cents off of two, you guys would just get these for both for 63 cents. That comes out to be just like 32 cents a piece for the Twix candy bars. So I will have a happy husband because now he has some candy bars to eat for work. I wanted to do the Vaseline deal, but I only had one insert, and so I have to wait till I go to work to get more inserts, so I just wanted to let you guys know with that situation. I ended up getting the Scott's toilet paper again. I'm going to continue doing this until it no longer resets on Ibotta. So these were $5.99. Here you go, Graham. Take these before Benjamin sees them. So these were $5. These were $5, just $5 together. You guys want to use those 50-cent off coupons that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. Now, some of you guys also might have $1 coupons. If you do, that's awesome. But then there's also a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get this for $3.50. There is a Ibotta deal, so you guys will end up getting $1 back with Ibotta, making it just $2.50 for a whole 12-pack of toilet paper. Now, there's 12 rolls in here. There's 176 sheets per roll, so if that helps you guys, so 12 rolls, 176 sheets. A lot of you guys try to figure out the math. I don't. I just like, whatever, this is a good deal, so got that for myself, or for my whole family. Okay, then next deal we got is the Dial hand soap. Now, I was looking at them, and I looked at the regular scents, and then I didn't even dawn on me, but the regular ones were buy one, get one free. The special ones were buy one, get one 50% off. I don't know why they do it. It's like it's all the same soap, but some were buy one, get one free, and some were buy one, get one 50% off. I did not realize that until after I got home when I was doing my breakdown. So these two do not buy These are the buy one, get one 50% off. So it's the honey, the Manuka honey, and the pearl essence. So make sure you guys get like the other flavors. But what happens if you guys do the mistake I do, you guys will get these for $3.79 and then 50% off. You guys use that $1 off of 2 coupon that we had from coupons.com. You guys would just get both of these for $4.68. Again, not the greatest deal. No, there is a Saving Star deal if you guys haven't done that already. If you guys do the normal ones that are buy one, get one 50% off, they're $2.99, buy one, get one 50% off, or buy one, get one free. You guys use that $1 off coupon. You guys would just get these for $1.99 or just 99 cents a piece or 98 cents a piece. So do that deal. Just make sure you guys don't make a mistake. We all make mistakes. So I just like to share with you guys, you know, certain deals in case, you know, you're like, what? I didn't realize that. So yes, I ended up doing the Bic pens deal. Now I'm bringing all these, I'm just losing stuff. I'm bringing all these stuff to work with me because the guys need pens. So these were on sale for just 99 cents. Now we have those $1 off 2 coupons that expire on the 24th, which I think is a Friday. So if you guys got to use those coupons, use them right away. So you guys would end up getting these for, after the $1 off 2 coupon, you guys would just get 2 of them for 98 cents. That comes out to be 49 cents a piece. Not the greatest deal, but hey, if you guys really need pens, I think that's still a good deal towards if you buy pens like 6 months from now and you pay full price. So wanted to share with you guys on that. That's all stuff that I'm going to bring to work. I ended up getting the Tide Pods because I just had a couple of those coupons left, so I wanted to just grab them in case you guys have some of those coupons left. So these were $4.99. You guys use that $3 off coupon. You guys would just get this for $1.99. So it's not the greatest deal. I think it's a pretty decent deal. I mean, $1.99 for the Tide Pods is normally what you should pay. Usually sometimes there's other deals, but $1.99 for those. And then the last item I got for my haul was the Renew eye solution. Now these were $9.79. You guys want to use those $5 off coupons that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. Plus you guys want to use a $5 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. I usually scan the booklet last. You can scan it first, but I think if you scan it first then the coupon might not always scan, so that's kind of how I do it. But you guys would end up just getting this for just a 21-cent moneymaker, and this is good until I think Saturday. Then they're going to start a new booklet. I'm going to try to show you guys a new Walgreens booklet. My favorite person who works at Walgreens, she transferred to a different store, so I don't know if I'll still be able to get the booklet for you guys, but that is free, 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 free. Okay, so now let's share with you guys what I got for the $5 challenge for Walgreens. And the totals included in the whole thing. I didn't separate anything. So if you guys really want some markers or colored pencils, these are both just 99 cents. I think that's a great deal for the Crayola brand. I'm really starting to use, I don't like getting rid of these. Like I have people come to my house, they're like, oh, I need some school supplies. I'm like, well, what do you need? Crayola markers. I'm like, well, that's one thing I don't get rid of because I know my son and I will be coloring all winter long and I want to use these because these are a great price. So I got Crayola markers and I got Crayola pencils or colored pencils. So these were each 99 cents. The erasers, or the dry erase markers, these are actually 49 cents this week, which is a pretty good deal. I know a lot of schools only want black, but hey, for 49 cents, they can't complain for having other colors. So right there, so now we're at $2.50. I ended up getting some erasers. We got the cap erasers for 15 of them for 49 cents, and then we got the 2-pack erasers, again, 49 cents. So that comes out to be now $3.50. I ended up getting a pencil sharpener. So we got the pencil sharpener. It was, again, 49 cents. So if you guys need just a simple pencil sharpener, that is 49 cents. Now we're at $5. Or we're at $4. Sorry, I can't count. And then we had the Wexford dividers in case your school needs these. These were on sale for 49 cents. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. And then the composition book, again, was 49 cents. So right there, those 10 items that I got, I don't remember. Those, or I think it was 8 items. Those were all, you know, pretty cheap. And I paid $5 for all those. So just giving you guys a heads up. If you guys still want to do more school challenges, please let me know. I have a 5 off of 10 coupon either for Staples or Office Max, Office Depot. I can't remember. So I will be going back to do one of those deals. But if you guys still want to do more challenges, just let me know. Let me know. So I ended up using 2 $5 register rewards because I got a bunch of them from last week. So my total came to $3.10. What's funny is after with tax included, I never include tax because everybody's tax different. Now do remember I get an employee discount. But I only had to pay 19 cents. I gave them a quarter. I'm like, wow, a quarter for all this stuff that I got was awesome. But minus some of that stuff, I ended up getting everything for $3.10. I ended up getting 4,000 points for everything that I bought. I did that 10 times everything. And then I ended up getting $1.25 back with Ibotta. I got $1 back for the Scott's tissues, and then I had a 25-cent end receipt. So my total came to $2.15 Moneymaker. I got everything free this week, including the school supplies and all that stuff. So I'm pretty excited to share with you guys on stuff that you guys can do. You guys can also pay with points on getting school supplies. You know, if you guys really need school supplies, you guys are in a bind, definitely do that. So yes. That is my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to try to do a second haul for you guys. I'm going to try to get more of those candy bars because that's a great deal. But I hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos. Please give this video a thumbs up so I can share with you guys on more Walgreens hauls. And I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.